What's up everybody, this is me Adra Pushpanathan and you're watching The Crazy Mess. We are continuing the series of skincare, hair care and much more. So let's get into the video. I'm going to talk about few things that you can do to maintain a very healthy hair. I have already done a video about my hair care routine, like what I do to my hair. You can check it out, I'll link it here. And this might be kind of similar to that video because it's something that I usually do and I really want you guys to know about it. So let's get into the video. The first thing that I usually do every week, like twice a week, is to oil my hair. I don't break this chain. I oil my hair twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. Like you guys see me on Wednesday and Sundays. Mostly I oil my hair on that days too, because Tuesday nights I oil my hair, then I leave it on my hair, just braid it and I'll go to sleep. Next morning I wash it off. I do the same on basically Saturday nights too, because my hair needs a lot of oil and your hair also needs a lot of oil. Yeah, guys always seen my hair without oil, but trust me, oiling your hair is the only way to keep your hair strong, shiny and breakage free. Even though I oil my hair like twice, still I get hair fall sometimes and I really hate it. So I can imagine how it will be to people who doesn't oil the hair. Okay, I'm not calling you out, but still, just oil your hair twice a week. It is a must, so that your hair roots are strong, your scalp is moisturized and you have a very healthy scalp, because you have to have a healthy scalp to have a healthy hair. So coming from that, if you can't put hair oil on your hair at like from night to morning, you can apply it before 45 minutes or 1 hour before washing your hair. It's basically because your hair needs a lot of moisture, and if you don't oil it and keep it for a few minutes, it doesn't absorb to your hair. So just let it for 1 hour, then wash it off. And the second step is to shampoo your hair. Okay, everybody knows about it, but what's the main thing? Please stick on to one shampoo. Don't change it continuously. It might cause a lot of hair fall. And while also oiling, please make sure that you don't change your hair oil continuously. Like if you're using a particular oil, use it for like more than 3-4 months to know if that oil suits your hair. And if it doesn't, change it. If it suits you, please don't change it continuously. It might cause a lot of hair fall, like really long, very bad hair fall. So please don't change your hair oil continuously. And there is one tip for hair oil, I'll tell you in the end of the video. Please stay tuned. So in the second step, which is shampooing, please make sure that you shampoo your hair with less sulfate free, chemical free shampoos, mild ones. And if you're using particular shampoo for a long time, please stick on to it. Don't change it continuously. It is not good for your hair. And the third step is conditioning. I personally am not a very conditioner person, because I don't know, it makes my hair very greasy sometimes. I don't like it that much. Now, like I have already washed it like 2 days ago. Like I wash my hair every time I bath. It's not good for your hair. Please don't do it. But I'm used to it and I cannot change myself. So please don't wash your hair every single day. Normally, if I'm taking a bath, I just wash it, just some water, and yeah, that's the thing. Main thing. But every 2 times I use conditioner, shampoo and everything. So like weekly twice I shampoo, otherwise I just use the water. And please don't use warm water. Warm water is not good for your hair. Please use cold water or normal water. Okay, yeah. So coming back, conditioner. Even if you are using conditioner, please don't use it on the scalp. Using conditioners on top of your head is not good for your scalp. Like you should use conditioner from this part, like from the ear part and down. Don't use it here, just use it from here. After applying the product, wait for 5 minutes. Just don't wash it after you just apply it. It's not worth it. So just wait for 5 minutes, then wash it off. It gives you a very good hair. And after washing it, it comes to drying. And in drying, many people makes this mistake that they use thick clothes for drying your hair, and it's not good. Please make sure that you use a cotton cloth or a cotton t-shirt. Maybe if you have one in your house, just use it. It's normal and it's okay to use a t-shirt as your hair drying cloth. So use it, and please make sure you don't use hair dryers and straighteners very often. If you're going out, it's fine. If you're staying indoors, make sure you air dry your hair. Just leave it like that. And you can also apply. My hair today is kind of weird, I know, please ignore it. I'm talking about hair and my hair is acting very bitchy. Okay, I don't know, I'm just being very open with you guys. My hair looks crap today, I don't know why. But yeah, while you're drying your hair, if you're using serum, make sure that you don't use it on your scalp like the conditioner. Many people asked me about how to take care of dandruff and dry scalp, so I'll suggest 2 hair masks for you in this video. And that is, first one is to use lemon and curd. But if you're using lemon, make sure that you don't use a lot of lemon, because lot of lemon might lead to gray hair. Okay, so use a little bit of like 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and some curd. And I am informing you guys before, curd is a cold substance, so if you apply it on your hair, it might be a reason for cold. Yeah, so I have experienced it lots of times. Like, I get cold every time and I still apply all this mask and I suffer alone. So if you guys are like me, you guys can try it and enjoy the cold. Yeah. Haha. So coming back, this mask helps you to reduce dandruff and dry scalp, and it is really good for your hair because it moisturizes your hair, it removes your dirt, and also gives you a very smooth hair. You need it, you can try it. And the second mask is ripe banana with some coconut oil, and you have to mix it in a grinder, add some coconut oil, and that paste, which doesn't look good, might do wonders to your hair. Yeah, that's me being over dramatic, but it still do good. So apply it all over your hair, even your scalp. It doesn't cause any problems because it's really good, like bananas and coconut oil. You guys know. Okay, so use coconut oil and banana, apply it on your hair for like 30 minutes, and rinse it off with a shampoo. It will leave your hair very silky and smooth, and your scalp will be nourished. Voila, you get a very good hair. There is one more thing that I have done in the past, and it really helped me. That is using kanji vellam or rice water to my hair. It really did a lot of changes to my hair. It made my hair really smooth and shiny, and it made my hair grow. But it stings sometimes. Your hair literally feels like so. If you are okay with stinkiness, you can try it. If it's kanji vellam, like boiled rice water, it stings. If it's normal rice water, like if you soak the rice and use it, I don't think it will stink. But you can do anything from these 2 options. These are the few things that I really wanted to share with you guys. And the main thing about oiling, okay, I forgot about it, but yeah, I told you guys, I'll tell you in the end. That is, if you're oiling your hair, make sure you do a hot oil massage. Like, double boil the oil. Do not straight away put the coconut oil or whatever oil you are using to the stove and apply it to your head. It will leave you bald. Okay, so don't do it. First, boil some water, put another plate, pour the oil, then let it, heat. That's the step. Afterwards, apply it all over your scalp. And whenever you are applying oil, make sure that you put your all hair down, like massage it completely and leave it for 1 hour or overnight. Wash it off. That's the tip that I really wanted to tell you guys. I hope this video helped you guys. I really wanted to make a very short video, but I don't know if it's showing 13 minutes right now, but when I edit, I don't know how long it will be, but still it's a really useful tip, so I just want to tell you guys this. And we come to an end of this video. Like, share and subscribe. I come up with videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, so subscribe and put the bell icon, whatever you have to do, and support me. Keep loving me. I love you guys.